Good morning, student. Welcome you, Shaukat Ali Chemistry classes. Today we study and discuss the properties of sulfuric acid, king of chemicals. First, physical properties. Sulfuric acid is a colorless, corrosive, and syrupy liquid. It fumes strongly in moist air, being hygroscopic in nature. It absorbs water vapor present in air. On heating, dilute sulfuric acid only 98.3% sulfuric acid can be obtained. Sulfuric acid is soluble in water in every proportion. Chemical properties. Number 1, dissociation. On heating, its boiling point 273 degrees Celsius, it dissociates partially to give sulfur trioxide. H2SO4 gives H2O plus SO3. Acidic nature. Being dibasic acid, it is ionized into two steps. H2SO4 plus H2O give H3O positive plus HSO4 negative ion bisulfate ion, and HSO4 plus H2O give H3O plus ion plus SO4 minus K2 ion sulfate ion. So it acts two types, as a monobasic acid and a dibasic acid. That is why it forms two series. It forms two series of salt with bases which are called acidic salt and normally salt respectively. H2SO4 plus 2NaOH give NHSO4 plus H2O. Affinity of water. It possesses strong affinity for water. When dissolved in water, it liberates heat and forms hydrates. This property helps to extract water molecules from several compounds. Therefore, sulfuric acid acts as a very good dehydrating agent. The properties are also called dehydrating properties of sulfuric acid. It extracts water from ethyl alcohol and converts it to ethylene. When ethyl alcohol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius, it molecule of water liberate and ethylene is obtained. C2H5OH gives C2H4 plus H2O. The substance like sugar, wood, etc. get charted by the action of sulfuric acid, and a black mass of carbon is obtained. C12H22O11 gives 12C plus 11H2O. The acid like formic acid, oxalic acid get dehydrated when reduced with concentrated sulfuric acid. HCOOH gives CO plus H2O. H2C2O4 oxalic acid gives CO plus CO2 plus H2O. These are the dehydrating properties of sulfuric acid. Oxidizing action. Sulfuric acid acts as a strong oxidizing agent because it can easily supply an atom of oxygen or nascent oxygen. H2SO4 gives H2O plus SO2 plus O. It can oxidize several metals, non-metals, inorganic salts and organic compounds. Some important oxidizing reactions of sulfuric acids are: number 1, concentrated sulfuric acid oxides metals like copper, lead, mercury first to their oxides and then to sulfates. For example, Cu H2SO4 gives H2O plus SO2 plus O. Cu copper first change into CuO copper oxide and then CuO further react H2SO4 gives CuSO4 plus H2O. So reaction with Cu plus H2SO4 gives CuSO4 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. The metals like zinc react H2SO4 to give hydrogen Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2, or other active metals like sodium, potassium react with H2SO4 to form hydrogen. It oxidizes non-metals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus into their oxides or oxo acids. For example, carbon is oxidized into carbon dioxide. C plus nascent oxygen gives CO2. C plus 2H2SO4 gives CO2 plus 2SO2 plus 2H2O. Sulfur H2SO4 gives H2O plus SO2 plus nascent oxygen. S8 8 से 8 कैंसिल हो गया, मीन S बचा है ओनली. S plus 2O gives SO2. S plus 2H2SO4 gives 3SO2 plus 2H2O. Moist phosphorus is oxidized to phosphoric acid. H2SO4 gives H2O plus 2SO2 plus O. P4 white phosphorus का फॉर्मूला है प्लस 10O gives P4O10. Phosphorus pentaoxide dissolved in water to form H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. P4 plus 10 H2SO4 gives 4H3PO4 plus 10 SO2 plus 4H2O. It oxidizes halogen acids except HCl2 halogens. 2HBr plus H2SO4 gives Br2 plus 2H2 plus SO2. 2Hi plus H2SO4 gives I2 plus 2H2O plus SO2. It oxidizes H2S to sulfur. H2SO4 plus H2O. H2SO4 plus H2S gives S plus SO2 plus 2H2O. Reaction with salts. It has low volatility and decomposes their salts to of more volatile acids. NaCl plus H2SO4 gives NaHSO4 plus HCl. KNO3 H2SO4 KHSO4 plus KNO3. FeS react H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2S. CuF2 react with H2SO4 gives CaSO4 plus 2HF. In case of bromides and iodides, most important, the halogen acid formed get oxidized to the corresponding halogens. 2KBr or 2Na plus 3H2SO4 gives 2NHSO4 plus I2 plus 2H2O. Sulfonating action. Concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with many organic compounds, benzene, toluene, and change into their sulfonates. For example, C6H6 plus H2SO4 benzene reacts with H2SO4 gives C6H5SO3H plus H2O benzene sulfonic acid. Precipitation reaction. When treated the aqueous solutions of the salt of barium lead, it forms insoluble sulfates with get precipitate form. H2SO4 BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2HCl. H2SO4 plus lead nitrate gives PbSO4 plus 2HNO3. Reaction with sulfur. It dissolves sulfur trioxide to form oleum. H2SO4 plus SO3 gives H2S2O7. Uses of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is one of the most important chemicals and find its application in some way or the other in almost all the industries. In the manufacture of fertilizers such as ammonium sulfate, superphosphate of lime, in the manufacture of dyes, stuffs, explosives and drugs. It used in the manufacture of acids like HCl, HNO3. It used in the manufacture of a large number of chemicals, in the manufacture of pigments, paints and plastics, in paper and textile industry, in leather industry, in galvanizing and enameling and meteorological options, presence in storage cells, in petroleum industry as a dehydrating agent and as a laboratory agent.